Oh, okay. Why were you running like that? Is something chasing you?
It's true that I saw.
No, wait for me there. Come. Wait for me there.
I saw that.
Sit down.
I saw that boy. So I took inside a bush. Then after he passed, I said, "Let's run out."
Which guy?
That Ikenga guy. I'm always scared of him anytime I see him.
But Ujunwa, I told you not to be scared of that guy. I have warned him severally not to ever come close to you again.
Are you sure he will not hurt me after
Why should he hurt you? Is he not afraid? Is he stupid? Come on, you don't... Ujunwa, you have to stop being afraid. Okay?
So,
you need to be bold.
Oga, what's in there for now?
I beg, just wait for me. Come, please. Please, just wait for me, please. Ujunwa, he will never hurt you. I warned him never to do that. Do you understand?
Okay. I believe you, my love. Meanwhile...
Your love?
Yes.
You just called me your love.
Yes, you're my love. Meanwhile, I brought you some food.
Uju? You brought me food to eat.
Yes, I did.
Ha ha ha.
Did you?
Mama.
Where are you going? And what do you have in that bag?
Ma, I'm going to my friend Mercy to go and meet her to help me patch my torn clothes.
You are sure?
How would I lie? This is not my clothes.
You can come back very early because you have something to do for me.
Okay, Mama.
And I know you very well. When you see that Mercy, you forget yourself. Just remember that you have something to do for me here.
Mama, I'm just going there to patch my clothes. I'm not going there to go and lie down.
Are you done cooking?
Yes, I have. Besides, I'm just going there to patch my dress. Like I said, all my clothes. I'll be back soon, don't worry.
You do one.
Mama, I'll be back.
Your Majesty, I came to make my intention known to the royal family. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Keep it here.
Young man, you said your name is what?
Your Majesty, my name is Emeka.
Emeka. You said you are an engineer?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh, engineers are very hard-working people. And the purpose that brought you to my house is you seek my daughter's hand in marriage.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Very good. And why is it that you are the only one here? Your father, no member of your family, not even your kinsmen.
And Your Majesty, I understand. The fact is that my father is aware of my visitation to this royal family. That he asked me to come and make my intention known first. Maybe my next visit he will join me.
That's all right. And I ask you, which of my daughters you are talking about? Because I have two of them, Doris and Chiamaka, the one that is studying overseas.
Your Majesty, we are talking about Doris, the one that's based in this country.
That's all right. Go and get me Doris.
It's okay, Your Majesty. Hello, dear. Your father wants to see you. Yes. Right away. She's coming.
That's great.
My lord.
Yes, I got it.
Yes, Daddy.
Greet our visitor.
Good day.
Greetings, my lord.
This young man here came for you. And he said he has discussed with you. And both of you knew each other. He is here to seek for your hands in marriage. And what do you say?
Daddy, he said he discussed with me.
Definitely. That's correct.
Daddy, can I just a few minutes? I just want to talk to him outside. A few minutes.
Outside?
Yes, he'll be back.
No, allow them. Allow them. We are talking about marriage. They need to go out, rapport and talk, and get back to us.
Your Majesty, I don't trust your daughter. With this let's see to her side.
You don't have to trust her. We are talking about marriage. Don't worry. Anything we see, we take. It's for better, for worse.
What the hell are you doing here? You know why I didn't speak to you inside there? Because I didn't want to insult you in the presence of my parents. Did I not tell you I'm not interested in your marriage? So what are you doing here?
But I discussed with you before coming here. Why are you being so hostile? Why are you shouting at me?
Are you stupid or something? No, are you deaf and dumb that you cannot understand? I told you I'm not interested. So why did you sheepishly come in here to talk to my parents? What for?
And listen, Doris, I know you're mad at me, but I have to tell you my mind. I love you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. Just give me that chance.
Hey! I don't want to hear it. The next time you walk into my father's compound to say this rubbish, I will have the guards throw you out like a foolish person that you are.
Are you for real?
No, I was thinking that you're very, very smart and wise. But now I'm seeing that you're just a riffraff, a stupid he-goat. Come here again. What is... I just told him the truth.
What truth did?
Doris! Doris, come back! Doris! Oh, Doris, come back here! Come back here, Doris! What is wrong with you? What did you tell that young man that made me leave here so angry?
Mother, is that why you're shouting at me?
How dare you talk to me like that? Are you out of your mind? What did you tell that young man?
I told him the truth.
And what nonsense truth are you talking about?
That I'm not interested in his marriage proposal. I should have told him here, but no. I didn't want to insult him. I took him outside to talk to him in a manner he would understand, but no, he failed to understand because he has a fish brain.
Doris, can you just listen to yourself? Can you? You and that young man who have fish brain. Tell me, who?
Mother, I was busy inside before you called me. Please, I want peace. Please.
Young lady, now listen to me and listen very carefully. You will never have any peace in this house until you do what you are supposed to do. What is your problem? What is wrong with you? This is the fourth man that came to ask for your hand in marriage and you rejected all of them. Your Majesty, please talk to your daughter. This is getting out of hand. What is all this? Young lady, I am in my husband's house and it's better you go to your own husband's house. You should not stay here to challenge me.
Doris?
Yes, Daddy.
I would rather have you vent your anger, but not to challenge your mother. It's a no-no for me now. Go upstairs.
Your Majesty, it's time you talk to your daughter.
I will. You don't need to walk yourself. No, necessarily.
Start.
Start. Fire, fire. 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 Up. Oh, okay. Why were you running like that? Is something chasing you?
It's you that I saw.
No, wait for me there. Come. Wait for me there.
I saw
Sit down.
that boy. So I took inside a bush. Then after the past, I said, I want to run out.
Which guy?
That Ikenga guy. I'm always scared of him anytime I see him.
But Ujunwa, I told you not to be scared of that guy. I have warned him severally not to ever come close to you again.
Are you sure he will not hurt me after
Why should he
everything?
hurt you? Is he not afraid? Is he stupid? Come on, you don't... Ujunwa, you have to stop being afraid. Okay?
So,
You need to be bold.
Oga, what in there for now?
I beg, just wait for me. Come, please. Please, just wait for me, please. Ujunwa, he will never hurt you. I warned him never to do that. Do you understand?
Okay. I believe you, my love. Meanwhile...
Your love.
Yes.
You just called me your love.
Yes, you're my love. Meanwhile, I brought you some food.
Uju, you brought me food to eat.
Yes, I did.
Ha ha ha. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate this. Wow.
Do you like it?
It's very delicious. I'm sure your mother taught you how to cook.
Yes, she did.
Okay.
My love, I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead, ask me anything.
What do you have in mind towards me? I mean, do you love me as much as I love you?
I'm sorry. Please just give me 3 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, please. Thank you.
Ogazi, who be this girl now? Who be this girl? Why they do me like this for this village? Who be Ujunwa? Hi God, Ogazi. You see this girl, whether she like him or not, she no go escape me for this village. No, bro. No reason like that. You see those girls, they don't give them to you willingly. Now you force them on you, bro. You don't forget. Ogazi, wait till they Uju body when all the other girls body. Uju get 2 heads? What do you they talk? Bro, see, you know say as me a human like this, boss don't they see me as they see you. They don't they see me the way they say they see you, bro. See, I think say this is right time. May you stop that way they do. You understand? May you not go land yourself for police case. You don't understand? What did you talk, Ogazi? Ogazi, you don't forget who I be. When I can't get DK they talk, oh. You don't forget. See, you dey hear the round. You don't forget what that boy EGK do you. You don't forget. EGK, that keke guy. See, make I tell you, you promise that girl. Would you want to see you go man time edge to edge, say nothing to solve. You don't understand? I don't work out for you. Who be that guy, safe? For this village, we go know who be who very soon.
You again? What is the meaning of this? Why are you blocking my way? Eh? Please, I want to go and sell my market. Get out of the way, let me go through. I don't understand this. Am I not talking to somebody?
Uju, why you dey treat me like this? Eh? Why you dey do like say you don't know what I want from you, Uju? Uju, I want you. I want to make you be my woman. Eh? Just forget that guy now. Because of that guy, make me just leave you that day.
I don't understand what you dey talk. I beg, leave me. What kind of a thing is this one now? Please leave me alone. Ha! Please.
Uju, would you give me a chance now?
Chance to do waiting.
Make I prove my love for you.
Now that love go kill you there. Now that love go kill you there. What kind of nonsense dirty love be that one?
Uju, look me where. I no be man. I no reach to love you. Why you dey do like this now? Eh? Give me chance. Make I prove my love for you.
I say you know you talk that nonsense again. See, make I warn you. Don't ever stop me on the road again to tell me about one stupid or rubbish love. What kind of thing is that one now? What's this? You see a young girl who is hustling to earn a living and you're stopping her from going to do her business. What kind of nonsense is that one? Fine. You claim you're a man, right? Abi, Ikenga, you're a man. A full grown man. Let me ask you. Your fellow men, what are they doing at this time of the day? Are they not in their offices working? Or even in their business place, trying to hustle some money? Yet you are stopping me from going to hustle my own daily 2K. What is this one now? Don't stop me next time, because you will not like me.
Come back here! What did they worry yourself? And they talk to you and they move. You know who I be?
Ikenga, don't try this thing next time,
You be like say you know one piece, Abi? If you want war, I go give you war. And they talk to you and they move.
Ikenga, you think I'm scared of you? I am not scared of you. I have a boyfriend. And you remember what he did to you last time, right? You know him very well. You know what he did to you. You do not want to dare me. That thing you're planning to do, that thing you're planning to do, better remove it from your head. Because if you try it, you will live to regret it. You know my boyfriend. You know what he can do. Abi, stay out of my path. Don't stop me next time, Ikenga. Don't.
Uju, if I don't get you today, tomorrow now another day. Whether you like him or not, I go chop that thing with you between your legs.
Thunder fire you there. It's your boy. Bye,
Daddy, you sent for me.
Sit down. Doris,
Yes, Daddy.
I called you this night so we can discuss as father and daughter. I will ask you some questions and I demand you answer me with absolute sincerity. For some time now, lots of suitors have been trooping in here, demanding for your hand in marriage, and you have practically turned all of them down. And I ask, is it that one-way camera we see, or that Agoba Adironko? Does it mean you don't want to get married, or you haven't seen someone who captures your fancy?
Daddy, to be honest with you, it's not as if I don't like any of them. But my spirit keeps telling me something. My spirit keeps telling me not to get married now. There is something I need to do before I get married. And that one thing is what I don't know. I'm still struggling with my spirit to understand what that one thing is. But I don't know. But I know with time it will manifest. I just want you to be patient with me.
Oh, you are getting me more confused. Is there something you are not telling me? My daughter, make me to understand. Are you spiritually possessed by some strange spirit or what?
Of course not, Daddy. I'm not possessed.
Then let me to understand, because I am no longer understanding anything anymore. I am your father. Talk to me. You are a woman. You are no longer getting younger. Does it mean you will remain this way? Talk to me. I want to know.
Daddy, you and Mother, you're pressurizing me too much. I'm fighting with my spirit. I'm struggling with my spirit. The same way you both are fighting me, I'm fighting with my spirit. I know that something will happen soon. I can feel it. Let's just be patient. It's not easy for me.
Come on, you are confusing me the more. Talk to me. Does it mean you... Oh, goodness me. You're going to be this way? I'm your father. Talk to me. I'm worried. If you are not bothered, I am bothered.
I know. You're bothered because you love me, because you're my father. I know. But can my father do me a favor?
What favor?
Can my father, Eze Ruben Obiako, go to sleep? It's late.
Well, if you say so.
Yes, please.
Good night, my daughter.
Good night, Daddy. I love you.
And I love you too.
Hey, Ujunwa. Hey. Ujunwa, you offered me cocoa. You offered me mineral.
Hi.
And you were even smiling. Ujunwa, what is going on? Where did you get the money used to buy this mineral? Because I know you. I know you don't have money. Hi. Ujunwa, you have suffered. Look at this one, oh. So you're not calling me poor with style. No, that's what you're saying. You're calling me poor. You think I don't have money to buy this common mineral? What's that much? How much is mineral? Anyway, since you have forgotten, let me gently remind you. I am now a businesswoman. I sell oranges.
Oh, I remember. Forgive my manners. I'm sorry. But there's a secret. There's something you're hiding from me. Hey, tell me, why are you so happy? What's going on? Look at you now. Look at the way you're just smiling. What's going on?
Well, it's about that guy.
Which guy?
Now, the guy I told you about, AGK, the mechanic guy.
AGK. Oh, I remember that guy, AGK. Yeah, so what about him?
I fell in love with him.
Ha!
Ever since he saved me from that stupid, disgusting Yamanyama Ikenga guy that goes about raping girls in this community. Stupid idiot. Bottom line, I fell in love with him.
Hey, it has happened.
What happened?
It has happened. You mean you guys are not seeing each other? You and AGK, you know?
Yes.
My friend, start
We're
talking.
in love. Serious. Our love is hot. Don't even go there.
Hey, my friend is in love. Oh. Eh? So you now have a boyfriend?
I do.
Hey, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
But the way I'm looking at you, the way you are so happy, hey, are you sure you're not the one in love with this guy? And this guy is not in love with you? Because I don't want him to take your love for granted. You know all these small boys, you know how they behave. Are you sure he loves you?
Leave that story. He's not like that. He is different. Leave
you
our
sure?
love. Is it your love?
You are my friend, though.
But our love. Leave the love for me like that.
Yeah. Okay. If you say so, you're my friend. And whatever you do, I'll support you.
Thank you.
But there is a problem.
Which is?
Your mother. You know your mother. She loves rich guys. Guys that have money. And Ejike does not have money. Eh? What are you going to do?
It doesn't matter. Besides, she's not the one getting married to him. Is she? I am the one that will be with him, not her. So please, let's just drop it. You don't want to drink your mineral? Or do you want me to keep my tea?
I will drink my cup, but I'm just telling you. You know the kind of mother you have. Eh?
Do you want this?
I bet let me bring. No, bring.
Very delicious. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm. Very delicious. Mm. Are you trying to kill me with this sweet food?
No one wants to kill you with sweet food. Also, it's good for every woman to know how to cook, so her husband will be happy and healthy. Besides, you and I know that when a man starts to eat outside, it leads to other things.
Well, you have a point. As for me, I don't intend to marry a woman who doesn't know how to cook because I like food. I like good food. Wait. Why am I complaining? I already have you. You're going to be my wife someday, so.
Really? I thought we were just friends.
Don't you want to marry me?
Of course, I want to. But my mother might be a problem.
How? What do you mean?
My mother. You know how she is. She might not consent to this because she'll feel that you're not really making enough money and she'll do everything within her power to break us apart.
Ujunwa. Do you really love me?
You know I love you so much and I would do anything to be by your side.
I've been waiting to hear it, so I don't care about your mother. You care about her.
Mama, good morning.
Ichike, good morning.
Mama, is everything okay? You don't look happy.
Everything is not okay. I want us to talk. Please sit.
Mama.
You know, love is a beautiful thing when you're in love with the right person. I am not against the fact that you're in love with Ujunwa, but
Mama, but what?
the fact that her mother insults me everywhere she sees me is what I can't take anymore. Eh? You know she's not in support of your relationship with her daughter. So I don't know what to do anymore. Me, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Mama, Uju's mother insulted you?
Yes, now. Yesterday she saw me at the market. She started insulting me, calling me names. In fact, I was so embarrassed. Pull out from the relationship, isn't it, Mankwe? Ujunwa is a beautiful girl, though. I am not against her. She's beautiful. She has good character. But her mother is the problem I am having right now.
Mama, I've heard you. But it is unfortunate that Uju and I love each other. And we have gone very, very far. I intend to marry her in the future.
So, are you saying that you want to continue with the relationship despite the fact that her mother is against you?
Mama, I'm not saying that, but her mother is not a good person. She loves money so much. She forgets the fact that money is not everything in marriage. Uju and I love each other. And I don't know why she finds it difficult to understand.
Makanichi on ego now, you don't have money. Her mother loves money. So what are you saying now?
Mama, it's okay. I'll sort it out. Just ignore everything. I'll sort it out.
Is your uncle aware of this whole thing?
He's not aware. I'll let him know when the time comes. Mama, I have to go to the shop. Customers are waiting for me. I'll see you when I come back.
No, Vunka, Bukono.
Good morning.
What is good about this money? Now I'm asking you, what is good about this money?
Mama, I'll just greet you.
Shut up! Just shut it up right there. Shut it up. You will not allow my daughter rest in this community. For the past 3 days you have been pursuing her. Oh, your mother told you what I told her in the market, okay? Okay? Now listen, and listen very well. Let me warn you. I am seeing you around my daughter for the past 3 weeks now. I do not know what your intentions are. But if it is what I am thinking, you better remove those monkey hands from the pot of soup before it becomes human hands.
Mama, why are you being too aggressive? I love your daughter. And I want
just keep quiet. And you want to do what?
I want to marry her.
You are a fool. You are a very big fat fool. You want to marry my daughter so that you keep her in poverty. Look at you. Look at who is talking. Look at you from your head to your toe. You wretched mechanic. You want to marry my daughter. You want to, and you even have the audacity. You have the mouth. You are saying it before me. Now let me warn you for the very last time, because I will not repeat it again. If I dare see you an inch close to my daughter, I will grind you into pieces. I will grind you into pieces. This is the last warning. I'm not going to warn you again. I no fear. Try it again. Let me see you.
Person when no get money, no get to say at all. If onyene wele go na fu no lili neo.
Oh my God. You mean my mother said that? And that was not even enough. She saw you today and insulted you? Oh my God.
You know, when my mother told me, I did not believe her. Until I saw your mother this morning. She rained all kinds of insults and abusive words on me. But there's no problem. I have nothing to say.
Hey,
No problem.
I am so sorry. I am truly sorry. I'm sorry for everything my mother said to your mother.
It's okay. It's all right.
But it's not right. What transpired between you, your mother and my mother, it's not right, and I'm sorry for that.
It's all right.
But then again, my love, I want to remind you of our decision to, to stay together forever, that no one can come between us or even separate us. I hope you still remember.
Yes, I do.
My love, I remembered something.
What's that?
I saw that fool Ikenga.
Did he touch you again?
He dares not. Can you imagine? I saw him yesterday while I was hawking my oranges along the road. He blocked my path. Then he told me that I should accept to sleep with him or he will rape me one day. Can you imagine the idiot?
He said that to you?
Ha!
But I thought I warned him never to come close to you again. And what did you say?
Me? I rained so much insults on him, eh? He cannot even believe it. I pushed him out of my way. Stupid idiot.
And what did he do?
He was surprised. He didn't expect it from me.
Your Majesty, have you discussed with your daughter?
Oh, well, I have. But the answers she gave me left me more confused.
What did she say? Because I'm not ready to tolerate any of her nonsense attitude.
Oh, well, my dear, take it easy with her. Let's see if she will turn around for good.
Your Majesty, for how long will we go on taking it easy with her? She keeps on rejecting all the suitors that came to her. What is all this? Don't you think we are overdoing this? Don't you think we are over-pampering her? Okay. Yesterday, I met with Martha, my friend. The one I told you that her son came back from America. She told me that she will be coming here with her husband, her son, and her people to ask for Doris' hand in marriage. Your Majesty, please. I don't want this girl to disgrace us before these people. That is the reason I want to know what her problem is. That was why I said you should talk to her.
Well, she said there are certain spiritual things that needs to be performed before she can be allowed to marry.
Hey? What did you tell her?
Nothing. That's why I told you I'm still more confused.
Your Majesty, can you now understand it? When I told you that this girl is possessed, but the spirit that possesses her is what I don't know. By the way, where is she? Doris! Doris, where are you?
Mommy? Why are you shouting my name like that? Is there any problem? Daddy.
There is problem. Yes! I will keep on shouting until you tell me what I need to hear.
What is it that you want to hear?
Are you serious? What did you tell your father? Which spirit were you talking about? Which spirit has been stopping you from picking any of the suitors that has been coming to you? Muamiri spirit, Obanje spirit, Ezewani spirit, Nkenduke, spirit of Nduke, spirit of Mpurummiri. Which of them?
None of the above, Mommy. I thought it was something serious. I didn't know it was this.
Oh. So this is not serious? Okay, there is no problem. Go and relax, rest.
Thank you, Mommy. Daddy, I'll do something inside.
Your Majesty, did you see that? She was just laughing. My dear friend, the reason I'm here is for you to introduce me to that your pastor. I want him to help and solve my daughter's problem.
It's okay, my friend. I've heard you. But the truth is that your daughter's case is not what a pastor can solve.
You're not serious right now. What do you mean by that? Is your pastor not a real man of God that can handle both seen and unseen problems?
Of course he is, but this is out of it.
So, what do you suggest I do then?
I'm going to take you to a native doctor right now that will handle your daughter's case and she will be free.
Loma, did you mention native doctor?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you are a real Christian. Why mention native doctor?
Are you here to question me? Or you want your daughter's problem to be solved?
Honestly,
I've not visited any native doctor before. It's not my thing. But I need my daughter's problem to be solved. It's okay. I'll do anything for my daughter. That is why we are here. My friends told me that as soon as I step my foot into this place, that all my daughter's problems will be solved. You said her name is Doris. Yes, Doris baby. Your Majesty, your daughter's case is a very difficult one, and it requires huge sacrifice. If you perform the sacrifice, will her problems be solved? When a bird perches on a rope, neither the bird nor the rope would be at rest. I tell you, it is only the woman that sells rotten fish that recognizes the blind fly. I am Ezedibia, the mad pace of the gods. Once I'm done, it is final.
Ezedibia, don't be angry that we are asking too many questions. After the sacrifices is done, hope we are not going to do any other thing.
It seems you didn't hear me when I was talking. I said, after the sacrifice, her daughter will be as free as the birds of the air. What will it cost to perform the sacrifice? Doris, you sent for me. What is it?
Mom, I'm looking for my clothes. You know that one that has crystal beading? That one I got from Turkey the last time I went now.
Are you sure you've searched very well?
Mommy, I've ransacked this house and I can't find it.
Have you checked my room?
Your room? Why?
Remember you came to my room with it. Go and search there. Yes.
Mommy, it's true.
Hello? It's like that thing is working. Do you know that my daughter just called me now and told me that she is looking for one of her clothes? Yes. It happened exactly the way the native doctor said it. I'm so happy. No, she's not here. I just asked her to go to my room and search for it, but I know it's working. It's okay. Let me go and... No, let me go and check on her.
Mama, you called?
Yes, I called you. Sit down. There's something we have to talk about. Do you know, Mama? For some time now, I've been seeing your movements, and they are questionable. Your movement with that stupid keke mechanic boy. I don't know what you have with him, so I want to know right now. What's the relationship? What do you have with him?
He's my friend.
Yes, sir. Your friend. What kind of friend? You're not even talking. What kind of friend is he to you? I want to know.
Mama, I believe I'm matured enough to know what is good for me. AGK and myself, we love each other very much, and we're in a relationship. We hope to get married when the time is right.
You're an idiot. Yes, that's what you are.
Yeah.
You're an idiot of the highest order. You dare look at me in the eye and you repeat that rubbish you're saying. Are you mad? Are you not ashamed of yourself? What can that stupid idiot offer you as a man or as a husband? I want to know. Now let me warn you. And let me warn you for the very last time. If I see you close to where that idiot is again, what I will do to you, you will not like it. You even begin to ask yourself if I give back to you.
Mama, what do you suggest I do?
I am not suggesting. I am ordering you to stay away from where that idiot is. Yes, that is what I am doing. I'm asking you to give him 1,000 meters apart. What is your problem? What part do you have with poverty? Are you destined to be poor? Look at Ngozi in America with her husband and children enjoying life. Is it Chamaka? In Canada with her husband and children enjoying life. You don't like things like that. You are going with this, I don't know what to call him.
Mama.
Papa.
I have heard everything you said. But all these people you're talking about, all these things you're lamenting about, they're actually none of my business. Yes, Mama. I am not Chiamaka. Neither am I Ngozi. Our destinies are totally different. I love Ejike. That's what counts, Mama. Please, it is too early. I have to go and do my business. Excuse me, Mama.
Ujunwa.
Mama, leave me alone.
Ujunwa.
Mama, just leave me, please.
You're walking out on me. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry. It looks as if what I told Mbechi and her children has not gotten to them. Don't worry, they will see me. Just don't worry yourself.
Buy your sweet orange. Obelego, small money.
Orange.
Ah, customer.
Come. How much are you want buy? 1,000.
Make I pin am for you. I think you go pin am for house.
No, pin am for house.
Okay.
But go let me report one so I go test.
You want to give testimony for the buy am? Orange don't cost now. You know wetin market dey talk.
Hi.
You again? Okay, you won't buy orange?
No, I don't need oranges. And please, I am sorry for the other day, I was afraid of that guy, so I had to move. I'm sorry about that. My name is Obinna. I'm from Obaha community. Please, may I know your name?
Oga, you are not ashamed of yourself. It shows that you are not a real man for running away from your fellow man.
Please, I'm sorry about that. I will make it up to you, okay?
Why do you want to know my name?
At least I will know I'm talking to a human being. Please.
My name is Ujumwa. Are you satisfied now? Allow me to go and do my business.
Wait. Are you from this village?
Ha! Which kind of question and answer be this one now? Yes, I am from this village. Anything else?
Please, let me go straight to the point. The first day I set my eyes on you, I swear I fell in love with you. Please, I want you to be my woman. Please.
Bros, so this is the reason you've been delaying me here. This one at time like say customers they everywhere won't buy orange. I plan say I no go even someone no go even meet me for outside. Yet you keep me here, they tell me waiting.
My love.
I don't blame you now. Myself I blame when you stand in the first place. I don't go sell my market.
My love, please don't go. I am not lying to you. In fact, I want you to be my wife. I want you to be the mother of my unborn kids. Please.
Okay, they disturb me. And next time, no stop me for road.
Ujunwa.
Sweet orange.
Ujunwa, please.
Obelego.
Whether you like it or not, you must be my wife. Good day, ma.
Good day, my dear. Who are you and what do you want?
My name is Obinna. I am from Obaha community. And please, ma, I'm looking for Miss Amuche, Ujunwa's mother.
You are from Obaha community?
Yes.
And you are looking for Ujunwa's mother?
Yes.
Are you the one that parked that car there?
Yes.
Okay, I am Ujunwa's mother. Come.
No, ma, I am fine here. Yes, I am fine here.
Okay. So what do you want?
Ma, actually, I saw your daughter yesterday hawking orange, and she's the kind of woman I've been searching for. She has all the potentials I've been looking for in a woman, and she's so industrious. I tried talking to her yesterday, but she did not give me a favorable answer. So I decided to come and see the mother to know if she can help me and talk to her. Yes.
Well, first of all, let me apologize on our behalf. You know, children of these days, they are very stubborn. You know, so I'm sorry for her.
Thank you.
You say you want to marry my daughter, and you are serious?
Mama, I am very serious. Just permit me. She is my wife already.
No problem. There's no problem. Only if you are serious and you have promised me that you are serious and you want to marry my daughter, let's just come here and sing to me. You want to really marry it from your heart.
Mama, I am very serious.
Then you don't have problem, don't worry. I will talk to her. She will marry you. No problem. Oh, she will marry you.
I am so happy right now. I guess I have to be on my way.
Okay.
I'll come back next week, Friday.
No problem. By the time you come back, it is done.
Alright, I have something for your daughter. Can you help me give this to her?
This one is money.
Yeah, I know what I gave to you. I know it's money. Just manage it.
Yeah. No worry. The wife is yours. Thank you. I will, Don't worry. Don't worry. Alright. Safe journey. Let me see you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Ikenga. Run away. Run. Go. Run.
Thank you.
Ikenga. Well done. What were you trying to do? Rape a little girl as usual. You are a rapist. You enjoy raping little girls. Are you not ashamed of yourself? I'm just coming from the Igwe's palace. He offered me the position of a youth leader. He wants me to become the youth leader of this community. Guess what? I rejected it. Ikenga, if I change my mind and accept that position, run away from this community. I won't warn you again.
Them raped my only sister years ago for this community. For this same community. But you don't get what anybody do. Them rape person we get belle. Now this even rape lead to her death. My papa died because of this same matter. My mama died too. Now why they do all these things now? Now revenge they take. If not, why would they rape? No be say I like all these things when they do, but I don't get any option. But for this life, you know good make they pay evil with evil. I'm not sure say these things when they do, they good. My mama don't buy, my papa don't buy, my sister don't buy. Eh? I'm not supposed to do all these things. This one not be life when I live. Not be life when I live. I know if we continue with this kind of life. God, I beg, forgive me. I know say I don't do so many things where they bad. I want change. I won't be changed person. I'm not sure say I will fit do this kind of thing again. I'm not sure. No. I go need to come up for this village. I won't leave this village.
Sorry, I was trying to get this from my cousin.
Yes, I went to the house this morning to see, but your mother told me you left very early for the shop.
Yes.
The reason I came is to talk to you or ask you to do something.
Okay.
Ujunwa's mother, Amuche, she saw me a few days ago and asked me to tell you, or rather warn you, to keep away from her daughter. So I was like, what is happening? She said that she doesn't want to see you close to her daughter again. But when I saw your mother and wanted to tell her what the woman told me, your mother also said that the woman saw her a few days ago and told her the same thing she told me. Now I ask you, what is your relationship with that girl?
Uncle, the truth is, we are friends. And I intend to get married to her in the future. Because she's very, very well behaved. But I want you to know that I cannot do anything without telling you first. Because you're the father I have now. So when the time comes for me to get married to her, I will consult you. And we are going to go and see her people together. That's my plan.
Ejike, see, I like your courage. I like your courage. Because when your father was alive, he pleaded with me to take care of you until you grow up to here. Eh? And that's exactly what you are doing now. I'm happy. But you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. Whatever you want to do, whatever you are planning to do, make sure you carry me along. So that we reason together like men.
No problem.
Eh?
I've heard you.
It's okay.
I have to give this to my,
it's okay.
my customer.
It's okay. I'm also running somewhere to see somebody.
No problem.
Okay.
Mama, I'm here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Make yourself comfortable. See this thing? You like it? It's for you.
Mama, for me?
Yes.
But Mama, I don't mean to be rude or ungrateful. For some days now, you've been gifting me with different things. And today you've gone as far as getting foodstuffs and drinks. Like we're having a party or something. And I know these things must cost quite a lot. Where did you get the money from?
Sure. I gave birth to a very sound and intelligent young lady. So I know you will ask me one day. These things you are seeing here were given to me by your husband to be. He brought money so that I will buy them and give them to you.
Ejike bought all these things. But Ejike is not that wealthy. He really get money to get all of this. Besides, if he wanted to gift me, he should have just given me the money. Why would he give it to you to get
Just
these things?
shut up your dirty mouth. Don't repeat it again. Let this be the very first and the last time I will hear that sound from your mouth. How many times have I warned you not to mention that idiot's name in this house? Are you normal? Are you okay?
But you said my husband to be, and Ejike is the only person that we've promised ourselves marriage.
Okay, who is Obinna? Who is Obinna? Since it is only that idiot's name you know, who is Obinna?
If my memory serves me correctly, there's a guy that stopped me along the road a couple of days back, and he said his name was Obinna, I think. And it's just that he was talking a whole lot of nonsense and I wasn't interested. So I just walked out of him.
So you know his name and you're pretending. And you're calling the name of that idiot in this house. Be very careful.
Mama, let it not be what I'm thinking.
What else are you thinking if not to marry Obinna?
What?
Yes.
That will be over my dead body to marry any idiot if not Ejike. Mama, what is this now? What is this?
Are you okay? Are you normal? I'm asking you. What's your problem? Are you okay? You must marry Obinna, whether you like it or not. You will marry Obinna. Yes, that's exactly what you will do. If you don't marry Obinna, you will tell me who has the say in this house.
Mama.
Papa?
Whatever plan you both have, I am not part of it. I do not care. I have not contributed to it, neither have I accepted it. So please, kindly, return all these things back to that Obinna person.
It is a lie.
Mama, you will return it.
It is a lie.
Mama, I am not interested. Let the earth bear me witness. I am not interested, Mama. Please, take all these things back to him. What is this now? Is it by force to get married?
Oh, someone shut up!
Mama, maybe you marry Obinna now. What is this now? Maybe you marry Obinna. What is this? Is it by shouting on me all the time? How can you collect all these things from me?
You will like it.
Mama, return it to.
I'm not returning it.
Mama, return it.
I will not return it.
Mama, return it.
I will not return it.
I have told you, except you want to marry Obinna. Because me, I will not. I will not try it, Mama. I've told you.
You will not do what?
I will not try it, Mama.
You will marry him.
Mama, return it, oh. Mama, return it. I am just saying, return it.
You are dreaming.
Let the earth bear me witness. I don't want it, oh.
Don't worry. You will come back and want it. It's a gradual process. Don't worry, I will keep it. When you want it to come and collect it. Obinna is the way forward. Nothing like Ejike. Don't let me hear that name in this house.
Mama, don't keep all those things. Mama, don't keep all those things, so. Mama, don't keep all those things.
Okay?
Mama, don't keep all those things, so. Mama, I don't want to be a part of it. What's this one now?
Is it a crime to be with the one that you love? For the sake of love, I've been trampled to the ground like I'm nothing. But this love is so important to me than anything else. So I will fight for this love.
You don't look happy this morning. What is the problem?
Is it not my mother?
What has she done this time?
Can you imagine? I was just on my own inside the room. She came to meet me. She started giving me clothes, started giving me some drinks. And the truth is I was worried because she has been doing that now for a couple of days. I was asking, okay, where did you get the money to buy all these things? Then she told me there is that stupid, useless, nonsensical boy that gave her the money that she used to buy all those things just to buy my heart for me to accept to marry him. For what now? What nonsense?
The Obinna guy that wants to marry you?
Yes.
So what did you say to your mother?
I just told her simply to go and return every single cent that was given her.
that I am not interested.
How did he locate your house?
Do I know? Maybe because I told him my name that day.
Then you're the cause of everything.
How? I don't understand.
You gave him your name and he traced you with your name. You shouldn't have given him your name. Anyways, that shouldn't bother you. It's not a problem. Stay away from him. Just try to mind your business. Of course, he's not going to force you. He's not going to force you to marry him. If you don't love him, you cannot marry him, except you want to marry him. But if you say no, of course he can't force himself on you.
See, any day that stupid boy sees me on the road again and stops me, I promise I will insult the living daylight out of him. He will not even believe what he sees.
Mama, I came in the respect of our last discussion. You know, I've not heard from you since then. So I came to know how far you've gone and to know when I will come with my people to perform the marriage rites.
My in-law, I've always told you. She's your wife already. You don't have to be afraid. Do you understand? But there's a problem.
Mama, which problem? Mama, what is the problem? I am good to do anything you want. I have money, Mama. I can take care of any problem. Just name it. Yes. Mama, just name it. Just name it.
Okay. You know, you and my daughter just met a few weeks ago.
Yes, I'm aware.
There's another thing to it. Yes. I want the two of you to come together very close. Do you understand? So that she will know you more, like you know her more. And you'll be able to prove to her that you can take care of her and take care of her mother.
Mama, taking care of you, there you go again, Mama. Taking care of you and taking care of her is a small price to pay now. If she is my wife, I can take care of her, take care of you, take care of all your kindred, even your cousins, Mama, even your ancestors. I can take care of everybody. Mama, Mama, I'm not afraid when I sleep with a widow because I know where the husband is. Yes.
You are talking, my in-law. You are talking. Don't worry.
Don't
worry.
So, Mama, I want to see my woman, at least talk with her, you know.
She just stepped at you. Look at the person I'm even talking about.
Mama,
good afternoon. Good afternoon,
Mama.
Hey, Mama.
Come. What is it? Oh, give me. Are you saying you did not see our visitor? Your husband to me.
Mama, what is this man doing here? Have I not told you that I want nothing to do with him? I already have someone who I'm getting married to. What is this now, Mama? Listen, whatever business you have with him, I have no hand in it. Please, count me out of it.
My lord. Will you shut up?
Will you? I was not talking to you. Okay? When I'm talking to my mother, you shut your mouth. What are you still doing instead there? Please leave my father's compound.
You leave this place.
Mama.
But what?
Mama, this is my father's compound.
Go that way.
Go. Mr. Man, I don't want to come back and meet you.
If I follow you,
Mama, you cannot follow me. What will you eat today? I went to bed and you will not say anything to you today. Maybe he will give you food. Leave that place. When I come back, you will not like me.
Oh, I'm afraid you're an idiot. Mine don't mind. It is the same thing with you men. They just give you one bullet. You just fall down. You are a man. You have to brace up. You know women now. When she gives you one, you block it. She brings another one, you block it. Yes. That's how you are a man. Leave her. I know how to handle her.
Mama, you are right. Nothing good comes easy.
That is it.
No true love without obstacle. I used to watch Nigerian movies.
You are my in-law.
Love without obstacle.
You are my in-law. Yes. You are my solid in-law. I am behind of you.
I need to chest it.
Kai! Do you want to sit down? There's something I want to speak about.
What I want to say is about what happened here this afternoon.
What happened, Mama?
Don't pretend as if you don't know. I'm talking about Obinna, that young, rich, handsome man that came to this house to ask for your hand in marriage. The way you treated him was not nice. Why?
Is that what you're talking about, Mama?
Yes, that is what I'm talking about. Be a kind joking. Do you take pleasure in the kind of life we are living? Are you happy that we are living in poverty? Why do you hate wealth? No, I'm asking you. What do you see in that boy? That stupid keke boy? What do you see in him?
Mama, do you really want to know?
Yes, of course I want to know.
Mama, I'll tell you. I understand that I'm a very young girl. And from the little I know about marriage, I know that every woman wants a man who can protect and defend her any day, anytime, anywhere. Is that true or false, Mama?
You don't want to tell me what I want to hear.
You want to buy orange?
Hello, beautiful angel.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
How much do you want?
No, far from that. You know, I want to talk to you. I've been seeing you around this village, hawking oranges. You know, a languorous damsel like you, an epitome of beauty like you, paragon of Ifanalo like you, Irodo, Azodo, everywhere is still organic, the way God created them.
Okay, I won't go sell my orange.
You are doing well, I know. Me looking at you, you are very industrious. I like you.
Thank you. I won't go sell orange. Time don't they go. I go see plenty customer for since you know one buy.
Listen, please. Just hear me.
Oga, na market I dey sell, eh? Since you know one buy orange, make I go sell. Hmm? Thank you.
I don't mean to. I like you.
Oga, what you do with my girl?
I was only trying to know you.
You dey mad? You follow my girl? You dey mad? Oga! You dey crazy? Come here! I said come here!
You don't know what's the meaning of that?
What you do with that guy?
What's the meaning of that? Eh? What's it concern you? What is it?
You asked me to concern me. Come here and talk to you. You're mad. You're crazy. You mad? What are you doing with that guy? Come here. Come here. You're mad. Come on, come here. Come here. I talk to you. Come on, come here. I said come here.
Leave me. Ikenga, respect yourself. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Who be that guy?
What's it concern?
Who be this one? What are you trying to do? Touch her. Who you be? I said touch her again. Touch her again. Is your name not Ikenga? Are you not Ikenga? I know your late parents. I know where you live. Touch her again. One name will be this one now. You dey mad? You won't go to talk to me anyhow for my territory. You don't know me, Ikenga. My guy, clear. I go delete you for this village. I'll give your details to the police tonight. Touch her again. You go see what he pass you soon. No? You go see him. And you! Did he touch you? Huh? You go see.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I left my money.
Your money where?
It's outside.
Where?
It's outside.
Fine girl. Alpha.
Wait. Come. Where you go? Huh?
Please, I don't want problem. Just leave me alone.
You know, say I tell you, say I will see you. Come, make you go, make I show you something.
Please.
Come,
please,
move, we
please
go.
don't hurt me. Please just leave me alone.
Don't worry, I will do as possible.
I don't want to do anything with
I
you.
say, come, make we go. You dey mad?
I don't want to do anything with you. What's that now?
Want make a shout for you? Come on.
I'm not going anywhere. I said I'm not going anywhere. Leave me alone. Ah! Ah! Leave me alone now. Leave me alone. 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 Leave me alone.
Hey!
What
are you doing? Who be this one now? Why you don't let us spoil my show for this village? What did
You're
happen
trying
for
to
you?
rape her, right? You're trying to rape her. Okay, wait for me.
Who be this one? Who be this one? Ah! 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 Ah!
Do you now understand why I love AGK so much and swore to marry him come rain or shine? Because he has given me the protection any woman would want from a man. Obina is not a complete man. And trust me, Mama, I would never have anything to do with the likes of him. God forbid. Please.
Ujunwa, so it is because of this nonsense that you are telling me now. That is why you have sworn to be with Ejike. Okay? Ordinary rape. Yes. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to ask Obina to compensate Ejike for what he has done.
What?
Yes.
Mama, did you just call rape ordinary? Oh my God. You amaze me, Mama. You amaze me with the way you think. What if that fool succeeded in raping me that day? Eh? What if Ejike was not even there to rescue me? And here you're seated saying... Okay. Now you're saying that you want to ask Obina to compensate Ejike.
Ma'am.
Mama, on whose account? On whose account, Mama? Because I categorically said that I do not want anything to do with Obina. No, Mama. Please, I have said it over and over again. And I'll say it for the very last time, Mama. I don't want anything to do with him. So if you have any business or pact with Obina, better go and settle it with him. Settle your scores with him. Count me out of it, Mama. I am done. I am tired. And you see this conversation, Mama? It's over. I am tired. I need to go and sleep. Good night, Mama.
Ujunwa, you're walking out on me. You're walking out on me, Ujunwa. Ah.
Ejike, my man. Hold on. Pius. Pius. Alpha. Pius, this is why you came to my shop today. I hope all is well.
Everything is fine, my man. You know you come person shop now. You know, say I get shop, you don't come my shop.
I was the last person that visited you. When? Pius. I was the last person that visited you.
Oh, okay. You can't collect your money. I remember. But bro, serious thing you get what you carry me for. Ejike. Ejike, leave with you the right. Leave with you the right. Ujunwa na your girl, Abi. You know the mama. You sure say you know the mama? Bro, that woman meet me for road yesterday. when I go buy something. Oh, but that woman they para for me. The woman they para for me. Madam, why? He said, Shebi, I know Ejike. Say Ejike na my friend. I say yes. He said, want Ejike to leave my pikin. Say I should tell you to leave Ujungwa. Say Ujungwa, say you don't charm the girl. The girl, no, only you did that girl. Say if the woman won't bust my head. I said, no. I go come tell you this one. Bro, what's up?
Pius, thank you very much. You have done well. But Pius, you need to hear my own side of the story. That woman is a bad woman. She should not be called a mother. That woman loves money more than her own life. Uju and I are in love with each other. It's obvious. That guy, what's his name? Obinna.
The wealthy guy.
Yes, he just came into the picture. He started deceiving the woman that he wants to marry Uju. He started giving her money. Started spoiling her with money. The woman now started harassing me that I should leave her daughter alone. I don't understand. Uju and I love each other. Even her mother cannot stop me from loving Uju. Listen to me. That guy is very, very fraudulent. Yes. He's deceiving Uju. Deceiving the mother. Telling the mother that, that he's going to take care of her. He's going to travel abroad with her. My brother, this is my shop. Don't you know what I do for a living?
I know now.
What does he do for a living? Pius, if that woman comes back to you and complains to you, tell her that me and Uju, we have gone very, very far. We have gone very far and there's nothing she can do about it.
Ejike, you are my friend and I will tell you the truth anytime. I just want you to be careful.
Careful about what?
Just careful for this, from this woman.
What will she do? Have I committed a crime? Don't you know my shop? Don't you know what I do for a living?
Okay, you hustle for me.
Is it a crime to love her? Is it a crime to love her daughter? Pius, tell me. Like I said, and I'm going to repeat myself. If she comes back to you and tells you anything about me, tell her that me and Uju, we have gone very, very far. And there's nothing she can do about it.
Okay, that woman is threatening. That woman is threatening. Maybe because of you, they know that it's not me for her. We cannot leave you.
Pius. Okay, leave me. Pius, leave me. Bye.
Because if I gonna be, because say he not get to you, people will reject you like you are no.
I am tired of all these things, this constant war with my mother. I am tired of it. My mother only wants me to be with Obi now simply because he has money, nothing else. But she failed to understand that in a marriage, money is not everything. There's more to marriage than money. But no one wants to understand me. Everybody just sees the other side of it.
I understand the point you're trying to make. Even though people used to say that love without money is useless. But honestly, in this one, you really need to be careful and follow your heart.
Money or no money, me, I love my GK. Together forever.
Yeah. Hello, my love. My angel. My tonton Miki of the Chukurumus Abaradu. How are you? And where are you going to?
Who is your love? What business of yours is it as to where I am going to? Are you a monitoring spirit? Why are you following me up and down? What is this now? Anywhere I turn, you are there. And even in my house, you don't live in our house, yet your name comes up every day. What is it?
My angel, I am sorry if I may have upset you. I am sorry about that. I'm about going to your house. Is your mother around?
Ogechi, please, I'm going to say GK, my love. Don't worry, we'll talk later. No problem. Bye-bye, my darling.
Oh dear. Greet him for me.
I will.
Please, Nne, can you help me talk to your friend? Mama, I can't lie to you. What I told you is exactly what happened. Mama, I don't understand what is happening anymore. I don't know why your daughter hates me so much. The hatred is too much. Anytime she sets her eyes on me, she sees me as if I'm devil. I don't know what is happening, Mama. Are you sure this marriage is still going to work?
Why will it not work? Don't say it. It will work. But there's a problem.
Problem what? Mama, what is the problem? Tell
There's
me.
a problem and I want you to sort it before it is too late.
Mama, no problem. There is money. Tell me what the problem is. I will solve it with money.
Obina, she told me somebody almost raped her.
Rape?
And you ran away. You could not even protect her. Somebody now came and protected her. It is that same person she has now fallen in love with.
Mama,
is it true?
Mama, that is not how it happened.
How did it happen?
The guy came saying that Ujunwa is his woman. And the way the guy is looking, the guy was looking so brutal. Mama, no man in his rightful senses will sit back and fight that kind of guy. It's not possible.
It is the dream of every girl to get married to a man who can protect her. How can somebody almost rape your wife in your presence and you run away? Obina, she's very angry.
Mama, you are right. I am sorry. It won't happen again. Next time I will fight for her.
That apology is supposed to be for her, not for me. Because as I speak with you now, she's terribly angry.
Ma, you know what? I still need you here, please. You still need to work for me. I still want you to help me talk to her. Yes. Please help me talk to her. Tell her that I'm sorry. That such thing will never happen again. Believe me.
I'll talk to her.
Alright, Mama. You know I can't come here empty. Just keep this.
Another set. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm going to talk to her.
Mama,
please, please, you're supposed to protect your wife. Let's be factual. Don't let it happen again. Biko.
Mama.
Now, wow. I still cannot understand why some people cannot use their brains. I mean, God gave them brain. They should use it. They should make good use of their brains.
Well, Mercy, you really do not have to blame your friend for the decision she has taken so far. Remember, you still remain her best and only friend whom she listens to in this community. At this point, she needs your encouragement. Encourage her and respect her decision.
So, what are you trying to say?
Well, what I am trying to say is that when it comes to marriage, it is a thing of the heart. And it has to be with someone you truly love. Yes, considering the economic situation of the country and her family background, Obinna remains the best suitor, no argument. But she doesn't love Obinna. If she chooses that Ejike, the mechanic keke guy, over Obinna, then so be it. The Obinna guy should look elsewhere. After all, Ujunwa is not the only beautiful girl in this community, is she?
You have a point. Yes, you have a point there. But what I still cannot get is that all these rich guys keep going for her. They should look at us. Look at me now. I'm a beautiful girl. And moreover, we have a lot of beautiful girls in this village. If Ujunwa does not want them, they should look at us.
Beautiful, my fruits. Lele, see who is talking. Beautiful. Let me see.
Don't insult me, oh. Don't insult me. God. Have you seen me? Don't insult me, oh. I'm a fine girl.
Anyways, Ujunwa is an adult. She has the right to choose whom she likes. That's fine now.
All I'm saying is that if Ujunwa does not want Obinna, I want him. Obina is my spec. He should look my way. They're the first person to love person. If Ujunwa does not want Obina, I want Obina. That's what I'm saying. Not that I'm desperate or I'm jealous. I'm not. Obina is a spec now. That's money.
Ha. Now I know you are a big fool. I don't even know what I'm doing here.
What is your own this day? Why are you angry? I don't understand you. I'm just saying that if Ujunwa does not want Obina, I want him. I don't understand. This fine rich guy that's my spec going for Ujunwa that does not want him. Me, I want him.
You have no choice. It is what I asked you to do that you will do.
Mama.
So you must marry Obina, whether you like it or not.
Mama, if there's one thing that is constant in everyone's life, is choices. There is the ability for them to make choices. I will not marry Obina. I do have a choice and I will not do it. I will marry only Ejike and that's fine.
You will marry Obina?
Mama, I will not. Who wants to marry a man that cannot even protect and defend his woman? Who? If you ask Ejike to come with his people now, trust me, I will tell him to come and tomorrow he'll be here to marry me.
What did you say?
Yes.
You don't even know what you're saying.
Mama, I know what I am saying.
You don't know what you're
Mama,
saying.
I know what I'm saying.
You will marry Obina whether you like it
I
or
will not try it, Mama.
Calm down. What's going on here? Do you know where I'm studying you guys' voice? By this time of the night, it's late now, Mama. Calm down.
Tell your sister to do the needful.
Ikemefuna, tell your mother that she cannot force me to marry somebody that I do not love.
Okay.
I am not a commodity to be bought and sold. I will not try it.
Hey, Mama, you have heard that. You have heard Mama. Mama have heard you. So let's go. Let's talk man to man.
You and who is doing man to man?
Oh yeah, let's talk. Man of the house is talking to the woman of the house.
I have heard you. Let me talk to Mama first.
It's late, oh. It's late. Look at the time. Your voice are going too loud.
So when do you want me to tell Obina to come with his family?
They should come 12 midnight. They can come 12 midnight today.
Oh, Chineke.
Mama, respect. Mama, see. I'm
okay.
just trying to be calm
late.
right now.
Be calm.
Stop it, Mama. Stop this.
It's okay. Let's go inside. It's late.
If you ask me, I will say...
Don't even say anything. It's not necessary. You see my mother and Obina, whatever he calls himself, they can continue to frustrate over this marriage issue. It is none of my business. But there's one thing I know. They must definitely fail. Because Ejike and I will soon get married. Yes, we will definitely get married. And not even your so-called Obina can stop it. Do you understand me?
Hey, God. Ujunwa, let me ask you something. This your Ejike of a guy. How are you sure he's going to marry you? Yes, because the Ejike I know is poor. He doesn't have any money. He's just a keke mechanic. Nothing. He doesn't have money for weddings. Nothing at all. He cannot afford anything. See, you are my friend. I will not deceive you. I will just say go for Obina. Obina is rich. Obina will change your life. Because if you keep on rejecting him, there are other girls that are ready to grab him. But, I mean, I want you to go for him because I want to do Ashebi for you.
Now, what is wrong with you?
I can't wait to do Ashebi for you.
What is wrong with you? Me too, I want to do Ashebi for you. Yes. Are you not old enough to get married? You know what? Why not just go and grab him and marry him? You have my permission, don't worry. I don't mind. You can keep Obina. I don't care. I love Ejike. I already have him. I don't need any other person. What is your problem?
What are you even trying to say? Are you trying to mock me? You and I know that Obina has eyes for you only. Obina is coming for you, not for me.
Guess what? I am graciously giving you the permission to go and be with Obina. It's not a problem. Go, I give you my blessing, my friend. Just go. He will swing for you. After all, we look alike now. He will like you. Don't worry, just try. You have not tried. Go and meet him. Both of you, you suit yourself. But leave me out of it, okay?
Obina likes you.
Please, why are we having this conversation?
Because I want you to go for Obina. Obina will change your life.
And I just told you, don't you want your life to be changed? Is there something wrong with you?
It's not coming for me.
Don't worry, he will come for you. Please, leave me out of this thing. Okay? I already have the person I want and I am content with it. My even sister here talking to you. My Ejike is waiting for me. Let me go and see my Ejike.
Ujunwa, are you being serious? You want to go and meet that poor Ejike? Ujunwa! See, you are here doing shakara. I will... Obina is a speckle. I will take... Ujunwa, wait for me.
Person when no get money no get to say at all. If onye na-enwere ego na-afụ n'olili nne o. Hey, nwanne m dị benu na ọ ga-adị mma o. Otu aka ọ dịlị njọ emesi ya dịkwa mma.
Do you want to kill us?
Ujunwa, so you are avoiding me because of this corpse, because of this obituary, because of this village urchin, this riffraff. You are avoiding me. What can he offer you? Can he take you out of poverty? No. Ujunwa, I am ready to do anything for you. I will take you around the world. From China to Turkey, from Turkey to Indonesia, from Indonesia to Pakistan, name it. Any man will no get money na James Brown. What are you doing with this shit? Huh? What? What can he offer you?
My love, I feel like drinking Gary.
Would you like some groundnut and sugar? I have that in the shop. Let's go.
Let's go.
If you are addicted to Gary, I can even buy you one bag. What is your problem?
What is the problem? Are you thinking about that boy Obinna?
Obinna? Ha! Please. I don't even remember such a person exists.
Then what is it?
I'm worried.
Worried about what? I might be of help. I've been asking you. Tell me what the problem is. You're quiet. Why?
The thing is, it's about my brother. Yes.
What about your brother? Is he alright?
Sort of. It's time for him to write his WAEC and NECO examination. But the problem is, we don't have money to register him, and we don't even have hope of getting the money. I don't know what else to do. I'm just confused and tired.
Is that the only problem?
Yes, is that not enough?
How much is the money?
For the both exams, 75,000 naira.
I have something to tell you.
What?
I don't like the idea of you hawking oranges on the road. So I decided to raise some money for you to start up a business. But it's looking like we're going to give part of that money to your brother to write his exams.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.